What's going on? It's your boy Gamal. You're back on my channel, NYSB Gamal, and I'm back at you with another video. Now, before we even get started, as you guys can see, the hat that I'm wearing, it's my 2520 hat. If you guys go to 2520, I'll have the link in there. All snapbacks are 15% off if you use my code NYSB Gamal. So you see right here, this hat says Dream Hustle Win. It's a good company. It's a good guy. I really like the product. Shout out to Marlon and what those guys are doing over there at 2520 NYC. So I put the link in the description. But if you guys want to save some money, get some snapbacks for the summer, be my guest. Go ahead, put my code in, save yourself 15%. So with that, what we have today is an unboxing of Stitch Fix. And I'm not sure how familiar you guys are with Stitch Fix, but it's one of those companies in which, you know, the first time you go on there, you tell them what you're into clothes-wise, what type of fit you like, what type of styles you're into. They give you a plethora of things to choose from. They bill you down to what you like, and then from there, what they'll do is they'll have a stylist send you a package of clothes. Now, you can set it up to have a monthly, you can set it up to have a bi-weekly, you can set it up to have every 3 months, or you can do what I do, which is typically whenever I feel like I want a new box of clothes to see something new, I just ask them to send me something. Now what they'll do is they'll charge you $20. If you don't keep anything, there's no harm, no foul. There's a bag in here, as we'll see, that you can put the clothes back in, and that be that. But if you do decide to get something, the $20 that you paid initially for them to send the box out is deducted from whatever the cost is. So if a shirt costs $28 and you pay $20 to get it shipped here, essentially you only have to pay $8 out of pocket. My thing is, even if you don't keep everything, the fact that you've already spent the $20, I always say get something, because if you get nothing, you essentially just wasted $20. My wife is the one who was using Stitch Fix, and I kind of got in. I've been wanting to try one of these. I see them on Instagram all the time, but wasn't really sure, and I wasn't. And then when my wife is not a shopper, she's not really, you know, it's like really not her vein of thing. So when she decided to do it, and she's been using it for like a year or so, I was like, well, if she's gonna do it, I can definitely try it. So it's been a while since I got a box. I went ahead and got a box because, hey, it's summertime. Who knows, they may send me something. They gave me a shorts last year I really loved, a couple shirts, and so I said, let me try them out. And so here we go. As you can see, the nice stitching. This is our Stitch Fix box. This is what it looks like right here. And again, like I said, guys, you guys can save money. And this is my first partnership with this hat right here for snapback, so I'm extra excited about that. So hopefully you guys will get on there and get yourself something and save yourself 15% in the process. Again, I'll keep the link below so you can see it. But let's see what we have here. This is the bag in which if you don't like anything, you can return it. Prepaid postage and everything, so it's pretty easy, pretty handy. So when you have the box, this is what it's gonna look like. Still the nice Stitch Fix thing in here. Ooh, they gave me some jeans, so they want me to spend money. See the Stitch Fix on here, right here as well. Let's just open that. And what we have here, ooh, a couple shirts. So this is the first shirt here. We'll see. The quality of the shirts is actually pretty good too. So I do like the quality that the shirts provide. This one right here is, the company is always some company that I've never heard of. This is Stretch Fit, but of course it's a medium because I'm a medium. And it's from some company called Julian and Mark. But you can see, we'll try this on and you'll see what this looks like. So this is the first shirt. That's not bad right there. I actually really wanted something white. I wish they had a white, but that's still a feasible thing. The next shirt right here, little flamingos. It's actually not bad, I'm not gonna lie. I kind of like this shirt. So this shirt right here, again, and I really like the quality. I don't know what these are. This shirt is called Artistry in Motion Goods, slim fit. Again, a medium because they understand what it is that I wear. Flamingo is a little different, but I'm open to the concept, you know? I'm open to the concept. Then right here we have some shorts, which obviously is gonna go perfect with the flamingo shirt here. And this is Flag and Anthem stretch 32. I do like this. They almost make me want to buy this entire thing. I really like this. So what do we have here? Oh, these are pants. What are these? Mavi Jake Long pants. So Slim Fit 12. This is Jake Slim Fit Indigo 12 pants. And so we have these Indigo 12 pants right here. Oh, okay, I'm with it now. And then we have a blazer as the last thing that we have right now. So the blazer is by Fairlane. Blazer does look kind of big though, I'm not gonna lie. Blazer looks a little big, so I'm not sure how the blazer thing is gonna work, but it looks like they gave me something if I wanted to hit the town, and they gave me something if... So it looks like this is meant to rock. So when I'm putting it together, it looks like you're putting together the blue pants, the blue shirt, the gray blazer, boom. And then you're going ahead and you're throwing together these shorts with this shirt. This is actually really nice. I think I feel really bad because I like to try to give back some stuff, but this is like $200. We see great compliments in your future. So now when you get this, so what they do is there'll be a breakdown of what each thing came from. And so it looks like the Gear printed short sleeve Oxford shirt, this came out of that section. And then they'll have different things right here. The Wingate shorts came out of another one. And then it breaks that down. So spread the word. If I get people to refer to it, $25. So hit me up if you guys, anybody. This is the moment. True, this is the... That's the painful part right here. The pricing. So let's talk about it. The Indigo 12 pants right here. $98. Yes. $98 for those pants right there. So if I decide to keep these 12 pants, we're looking at $98. So we're gonna have to come back to that. Let's keep going. The Refined Blazer. $118. Well, that's a typical price for a blazer. $118 isn't bad. This is for 12 pants, paying $98. It feels extreme. Paying $118 for a blazer, it seems pretty reasonable. Seems pretty reasonably priced. So let's see what else we got here. The Moreland Cot print stretch shirt, the Julian and Mark. That's this right here. So they want $48 for that. 48 is a pretty good price for this too. This looks good. This, again, I think with this one, it's been a while since I got Stitch Fix, so I think they really wanted to go all out. I really like these shorts, I'm not gonna lie. And the shirt is kind of popping on the low. So let's see, the shirt is $42. And then the shorts, which I like the most out of everything, is actually the cheapest thing, $39. So the way they break it down is they say your stylist pick subtotal should be $345. Buy all discount is 25% off. So if I buy everything, I'm gonna get a super discount of $86.25 off, which then brings my order subtotal to $258.75. My styling fee purchase credit was $20, which would mean to buy the 5 of these right here, the pants, the blazer, the dress shirt, the polo-ish type, not polo, but the short sleeve shirt and the shorts, I'm looking at $238.75. So it says you'll receive a 25% discount when you buy all of your stylist picks, which really sucks because I kind of like all of them. I guess I said that a little early. Let me know, have you guys ever used Stitch Fix? What do you think of Stitch Fix? How do you like it? Are you using it compared to one of the other ones like Trend Clothing or something else like that you see on IG all the time with these? I find this to be, Stitch Fix I find to be pretty good. I think my wife will say she likes it, but it's hit or miss at times. I tend to actually like Stitch Fix. I just think sometimes the clothes are so overly priced, especially when I'm always here for the deal and I'm looking for the deal, and sometimes I feel I get a better deal just hitting the streets. I was really hoping I would have got something white in here, honestly, because I gotta head back to Brooklyn in a week for a party, all white, and I have nothing white. So I'm gonna be going to Tommy Hill. I already called them. They said that they got a polo, slim fit, medium, that I can get. There's 40% off or something like that. I think it's like $32 or so. So I'm looking to probably get that later today or tomorrow. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of Stitch Fix. What do you think of these clothes? On purpose. You guys have a wonderful, blessed, productive, stress-free day. And do not forget the hat. You guys can save 15% using my code NYSBGMAL. The code will be down below in the description box when you save some money at 2520 NYC. Again, Snapback is popping. Dream, hustle, win. That's all we're trying to do, people. Dream, hustle, win. So, till next time. You sitting on the couch in the house, feeling like everybody else living their dream. While you sitting in the house, living scared, seems like fear of failure got you there. To step out cause you so scared of failing. So you sit there staring at the TV, criticizing, saying, yeah, that should be me. You see the athlete, yeah, that should be me. You see the rap star, yeah, that should be me. I hope you so sick it forces you to grind mo. Turn off the TV, you ain't got no time for. Make up in your mind that you want what that grind shows.